Welcome to Mind Theory, where creativity and technology meet to bring you a truly unique artistic experience. Our team of skilled instructors has come together to bring you a class like no other, one that combines the latest advancements in artificial intelligence with the timeless beauty of art. We believe that art and AI technology has the power to change lives, and we are committed to providing a safe and inclusive space where everyone can explore their creative potential. Whether you are interested in creating digital art, designing games, exploring new technologies, or simply expressing yourself through a new medium, our AI class is the perfect place to start your journey. Learners who are curious and open-minded are more likely to explore and experiment with Midjourney AI art, ChatGPT, and game design, which can help them learn more and discover new things. AI-powered tools can help your child create art, music, stories, and even games, which can help them develop their creativity and imagination. Create your own storybook, t-shirt design, sticker packs, and greeting cards. They'll learn how to talk to ChatGPT and ask it questions, as well as how to use ChatGPT to help them with their homework or just to learn something new. ChatGPT can help them with a wide range of subjects, including simple math, science, geography, history, and English. Students will receive a 50-plus page course manual and a certificate of completion. We have 5-day holiday programs available for upper primary, secondary, middle and high school students and adults. Find out more at our website.